In this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Outlook signature not responding or not working issue. So as you can see right now, I'm on my Outlook option section, and here I'm in mail section, and here you can see the signature. So if you're clicking on this signature and your signature is not working or not opening, let's fix this issue. To solve this issue, first of all, close your Outlook app, and then in this search box you have to type here apps, and then just open add or remove program settings. And now here in this search apps box you have to search here Microsoft Office desktop, and then in this list here you will find Microsoft Office desktop apps. Just click on this app and just click on uninstall. Once you successfully uninstalled, now go ahead and just relaunch your Outlook app, and then go to file, go to options, go to mail, and now click on signature, and here you will see the signature working perfectly. So that's how you will be able to solve this problem. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.